friends. This is David Au from Toronto, Canada. I'm a grandpa. I have kids and I have grandkids as well. During these days, with the global pandemic, we all stay home, no more gathering, no more activities, no more games with friends. It's so boring, and we have nothing to engage with. I like casual and sporty lives, lighted contemporary young guys. I like surfing the internet, exploiting something new, something exciting. Especially what I enjoy most is the YouTube and the YouTube videos. There's a lot of good stuff going on there. You name it, it's there. My eyes were caught by the thumbnail with big headings. Money online. Make a lot of money. $100, $1,000 each day. Affiliate marketing cash. I know nowadays money comes and goes quickly and wirelessly. The big question hang in my mind on those thumbnails. Are they really true? Why not give it a try? I talk to myself. During this period, almost 2 years now, I have read and watched a lot of affiliate marketing stuff over and over again, trying to find out more and figure out what is going on in this market. Can I, being a grandpa, make some money as well from these affiliate programs? Therefore, I create this blog right away, and this is the very first post of my new blog. Make money with affiliate marketing. So friends, stay tuned as I would post all updates, keeping my readers informed along this affiliate marketing journey and sharing with you guys what I have found and learned. So enjoy and stay tuned, and remember to click the link in the description. There you will find a lot of stuff which I have put together in this post. See you in the next video.